Hi everyone. It's been a few weeks since us driving instructors have been back at work, and honestly I've missed the Impatients like a hole in the head. Haven't been when we weren't allowed to go out, when we were on lockdown. I haven't been driving around obviously with my roof box on, and now we're back working. Honestly, that difference is immeasurable. It's nuts on how people do treat the driving school. It's as if they've got to barge through at all costs and we're always going to be holding them up, and most of the time that's not the case. You'll see by having a look at these three clips that we're going to show you, and these three clips, by the way, all happened within 10 minutes of each other, but you'll see by these three clips, maybe the first one, it gets the car a little bit further ahead, but the other two, it actually holds them up even more. So just have a little bit of thought for us driving schools, because you honestly probably won't get to your destination any quicker. Red one's no issue. Good, fixed. Then gas and bite again, and take this road on the right as well. So good. So don't go yet, don't turn yet, we're going to give way. Clutch down, stop, don't go too far. First gear, get ready, and then creep and off we go. Don't rush, hold the bite, good steer, move your hands. Did well, mate. Excellent. Patient people.
People up like, but I'm not.
No, you weren't though, mate, to be honest. You weren't holding them up whatsoever. I'm going to take the next road on the left, please, Joe. What do we do with this one? Start that light brake. Keep slowing. We're going to hold back and it's alright, I was going to say let that one clear. It's already cleared. So what gear for the corner? Good. Keep straight, keep braking. And look as far as you can this time. Far around there as you can. Not where we point, Jack. Far as we can. Better. Better. Do you reckon with what you're seeing up here?
Slow.
Now, keep out. We are here first. They should wait. Clutch down and just stop them.
What now?
We can't do anything.
I just follow your instruction here.
Now move forward. Did well.
I'll just listen to you. I know you know more than they do.
Good. Nice job, mate. Well done. Coped well with that. Notice they're always first to point the finger at the driving school car, aren't they?
Yeah, do you know what? I didn't even look at her. As soon as you said that she should give way, I didn't bother with her. Because there was nowhere for me to go.
No, there wasn't. No, absolutely nowhere, but she's all too busy blaming the driving school, which is part of the course. But anyway, well done, mate. Nice little check. We're going to get to the lights and turn right, please.
I think that's the owner of the nursery, that one. I always see it and think that's like Ash's car, that one. It's an automatic, that one, though.
Is it? I would have preferred an auto, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah.
I suppose it's because you spend all day gear changing. You don't really
to be honest, I don't know. I think this car suits an auto a little bit more. And again, we don't want to look where we point. We want to look where we want to end up, and we'll go as far up the road as we need to park safely. So if it's the space further up on the left where I actually picked you up from, so be it. Okay, so what should we do? Signal definitely. Slow. Now bring it in. Keep rolling. And we're going to go straight, even if we've got to go in the disabled bay for a bit. Stay right a bit now. Good, and just follow that curve and keep looking straight. Good, and we're now going to reverse away. Stop, put us into reverse gear as soon as we can, because this van may not be able to get past.
Oh my God.
Across and across again to me. then up. Now, sit still. He knows we wish to reverse. Is he going to hold back for you? Yes. Move us back.
It's like a bike thing.
Just stop. No, stop now. He's moving. Stop. He's moving. Just sit still. Now start to reverse back a little and steer a bit to the left hand side. Steer to my side. Good. Keep moving. Good. Good. Keep it like that. Keep it like that. Keep it like that. Get the clutch down a little and steer a bit to the right now. Steer a bit to the right. Now stop.
Oh, I've just reversed. Oh, I can't do it that minute.
Impatient arse van driver. Good one. Good. Good. Steer your steering wheel back to the left.
Towards you?
Yes. Bit more. Done. Back to straight. Done. Take your car off. Chill. Relax. Well done, mate.
I've never reversed before. It's like
Excellent work. We had to there
we're a bit too far away,
to create the space for the van. And notice, I was on to creating space for the van, but he wasn't.
He was on to shutting it off, wasn't he?
He wasn't onto it himself, was he? So I'm thinking of him, and he's got no idea. All right, this might be a bit harsh calling him a bell end, but
bell end. I made enough bell end moves when I was on the road, and I'm happy for people to call me though.
Well,
but I'm learning.
Well, there you go, and it's interesting that people do something like that when you've got the L plate on top of your car as well. Anyway, I thought you did a good job with that, mate.
Rusty, do you know what? But I'm so happy I did it. I feel like I can the swing of things now.
Cool.